You can use IntersectionObserver in JavaScript to find out when an element is visible in its container. In this case, it allows us to fade in images as user scrolls down the page. Let's see how it works. To set up an observer, we first create a new IntersectionObserver and pass in a callback function that will be called every time a change occurs, and some options as a second argument. We then call observe and pass in the element that we want to check. In the callback function, the first argument is a list of entries. This is essentially a list of changes that occurred. For each change, we can get the respective element with a target property and check if the element is intersecting with the isIntersecting property. This is essentially used to see if it's visible in the container. In the options, we can specify what actually is the containing element using the root property, or leave this as null or undefined to use the entire viewport as a container. We can also specify the root margin that I'll demonstrate in just a moment, and the threshold that tells the observer how much of the element we want to see visible. If we want the whole element to be visible before doing anything, we can set this to 1. As you can see here, we've got a container being this white box, and it contains a pink box that's currently in view. The grey squares at the top and bottom show the threshold, and so when I scroll down, you can see the square eventually changes colour as it goes out of view, because it doesn't meet the threshold. Be sure to watch the full video linked below where I walk through how to fade in images as they appear into the viewport. And to see more content like this, be sure to like and subscribe.